options, different devices that we can add with this application, with this app. So go to the lighting section, and from there go to the so make sure you, when you turn on the LED, it should start blinking. If it is not blinking, then just add it multiple turn it and turn it, turn on and turn off it multiple times, so it will start blinking. So provide the Wi-Fi name and the password. It will take some time to connect, and once it is connected, it should, the blinking should stop. Okay, so it's still connecting. Once it will be connected, everything would be, the percentage would reach at 100% pretty quickly. So it's taking time. Yeah, it's connected. So now we can see the 9-watt bulb here. So its all setup is done. So we can try with the LED and change the colors, turn it on and turn it off. So it's on. So you can change the brightness. Here are the different things that we can do. One is the changing of color. We can select this red, pink, blue, violet, everything we can try here. Okay, yeah, it's green, brown, yellow, yeah. So it's all working fine, and the changes happening quite quickly. It's not taking, there is no such delay that I can see. Okay, so here is the color mode. So different themes that we have, different modes that we have. So you can just try it. Read mode, so leisure mode, different, lot of mode. Also you can add your own customized modes. Here you can see how it is blinking or changing the color within a few seconds. If you can definitely add your new customized color with the timer by which you want to set, like within how much time it will change the color and what colors it should change. So everything we can provide. It's changing the color. It's taking some time to change the colors. There's a night lamp kind of thing that it can be used. Here's the customized version. You can use the saturation, brightness, speed, so everything that you can use here. One thing that I find is in the color mode, it's not that bright, but in white color it's giving a lot of brightness. Let's set up with Alexa. So I have Alexa on my system. Go to skills and games, and then go to the your skills tab from there, and there search for the app Smart Life. So the first one is the one that we need to add. So add it. Enable to use. Okay, to take little time, so make sure you select your country. Like mine is India, so I selected India. Then it will provide the code for the 91 as the phone code. So then provide the phone number or email ID, then provide the same password with which you registered. Okay, now it's authorizing this. So it's all done. So you need to discover the device. Make sure your light is on, the smart bulb is on, and the Wi-Fi is also working fine. It doesn't matter if your Wi-Fi, Alexa Wi-Fi and the light Wi-Fi are same. But yeah, so here is Alexa. Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
Alexa, give me white bright light.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light brightness to 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light brightness to 20%.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light color to red.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light to 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light color to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light color to warm white.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light color to pink.
Okay.
Alexa, change the light color to yellow.
Okay.
So it seems like it is working pretty fine, and this bulb is having good brightness with white but not with other colors. So I'm happy with this. Thank you.